Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set camera in Autodesk 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, go ahead and select your angle. For example, this angle right here at the top or at the bottom, it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and start from the bottom right here. And then just click on View at the top left. And then go ahead and select Create Standard Camera from View. Okay? But first up, make sure that you're under Perspective View. Views right here, Create Standard Camera. And here's your camera 1 and target 1. Target is what? When you go ahead and go back to perspective, you'll be able to see it. That's the target, right at the center. And this field of view. And if you want to, you can go ahead and add in multiple cameras. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in here from the top. Okay. And by the way, you can adjust the camera target, maybe at the center right here, or at the top, at the bottom, it's up to you. Okay, just select the camera target, put it however you want, just like so. And the second camera from here at the top, view, create camera, and here we have camera 2. This is camera 1, we'll find camera 2. Go back to perspective, and here we have it at the top, okay? Just like so. Now we go ahead and move away. As you can see, the field of view is much larger. Okay, but you can go ahead and move it just like so. Now we have 2 cameras. Now we'll go ahead and render right here, or test render. Okay. As you can see here, this one is the viewport camera. As you can see, it's the same. Now, when we go ahead and use camera 1, which is the bottom camera view, this one, and then refresh the render, you'll be able to see it right here, as you can see. Now, another one, the camera 2 is from high up above, render, refresh, and there you have it. And if you want to, you can go ahead and click on File and save it, or export as an Arnold scene. Or you could just go ahead and save it as an image. Okay? And that is how you set up camera here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.